There's a rumor. Apparently, Chinese is really difficult to learn. Most people who've studied it probably agree. This is because Chinese is often taught in a very rigid way, where a demanding teacher stands in front of the class, shouting words and commands, while the students try to study an immense amount every day, most of which makes little or no sense and is quickly forgotten. At Domino Chinese, we think it's time for a change. We've put together the minds of foreign learners, along with our expert Chinese teachers, to make an awesome course that turns a boring classroom into a fun environment, that makes studying Chinese a walk in the park for everyone. Chinese builds on itself just like Lego, which makes it super logical once you get the hang of it. Here's how it works. Imagine a Chinese character as a piece of that Lego. This piece means electricity. Now add this brain piece to it. You have an electric brain, also known as a computer. Let's put electricity on a staircase and you get an elevator. There you go. Simple, logical Chinese, the way it should be taught. So, join us in our vision of turning what used to be a boring classroom into a classroom full of things we can relate to and understand. Building your Chinese language skills in the fastest and most effective way. We guarantee that by as early as Lesson 4, you will already be able to have a simple conversation and read a short story entirely in Chinese. Join our community of thousands of students and begin building the first foundation towards Chinese fluency.